Hey y'all, today we're making pan-seared ribeye steaks. Okay, so you're going to need bone-in steaks, plenty of butter, seasoned salt, garlic salt. You're going to need garlic powder and onion powder and black pepper. Okay, so we're going to start off by seasoning our steaks. So we can go ahead and just blend our ingredients, our seasonings together. You may or may not use all of the seasoning, it just really depends on you. Okay, you definitely want to make sure to use the bone-in steak so you can get all that good, nice flavor that you get from the bone of the meat. Okay, and you just want to sprinkle the steaks with seasoning. These weren't really salty, so if you like a little bit more salt, you may want to add a little bit more salt. I like them just fine like this because I typically use steak sauce, which is salty, so it's fine. It has a nice, good balance for me. Okay, so we're going to season both sides of the steak, right? Okay, and then I just have them in this Pyrex dish because I'm going to place them in the oven in this Pyrex dish after I finish searing them on our cast iron skillet. All right. Okay, so we have three, of course, so I'm just going to show you two. And let's go ahead and get it popping on our little cast iron griddle. I love this thing. You can get it from like Walmart. It's just really convenient to use. We're going to go ahead and just spread our butter on here. You want to make sure it's nice and hot, as you see, medium, a little maybe of a little medium, before you put your butter on there. And then we're going to set our steaks right on there, and we're going to go ahead and get them nice and brown on each side. So you can lift it up and give it a peek if you're not sure. But after they're done on one side, just a couple of minutes, 3 or 4 minutes, you want to go ahead and flip it on the other side. Y'all, look at those nice grill marks. That's why I always use the cast iron griddle and not just a regular cast iron. So once you get them all nice and seared, you want to go ahead and have them in your Pyrex dish, and we're going to go ahead and cover them with foil, and we're going to place them in the oven on about 350, 375. You can leave them there for about 10-15 minutes, and voila, you want to make sure that you let them rest for like 5 minutes before cutting them, and then they're good to go, nice and served. Nice tender juicy steaks, y'all. Thank y'all so much for watching. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Be sure to like, subscribe, and follow our channel if you haven't already, and we'll definitely catch you next time.